Okay, so basically all that you're gonna have to do is unscrew these two and the portion at the top. It uses the same Allen wrench. All right. So I've already unloosened these two. Now I just have to take off the top. Okay. And then also there's a stack right here and a stack below. And this goes in the middle. Okay. So, but I take off the top portion, which is just this. Take off that portion and it slides right out. So that will go there. This one, come on, really. This one would stay in here. That will go there. And I'll leave that one on there as well.